Alright, this time it's going to be on Spotify, the native Linux client. Last time I talked about this was the Wine version, but we don't want to use that one because there's a Linux version now. And I think they opened their services in the USA like a few months back. But the thing was that is that the free account didn't work with the Linux version, which is kind of dumb. But now it works with it, so you can go grab it yourself. But anyways, let me show you that it does work, no issues. This is a Qt version, and you do need an account. It can be a free account, doesn't matter. But the free one, you see ads and stuff like that. Otherwise, you can still use it, no issues. Although this client is kind of like a beta-ish, so there is some issues, and let me show you what to do to solve this one that I was having here. But you go to preference, edit and preference here, and there's this empty one here, right? Uncheck that thing. Otherwise, what it's gonna do is write a lot of error logs in your home folder, and it's gonna fill up your hard drive. So I was having that stupid issue, and the problem was this thing. So uncheck it, and maybe you have to restart the program. But everything else, works fine. If you want to search for an artist, it does everything that Spotify does. No issues, right? Anyways, that's the Linux version. It's a Qt. If you install it in GNOME or KDE, I don't think it's gonna have a lot of dependencies. So that's a good thing about the Qt version. And there's some people that don't know how to install this stuff. I saw something like one of my subscribers. He was talking shit to me about not showing him how to do this. I mean, if you don't know how to install stuff, go watch a video on how to install stuff, because I don't want to do that on every one of my videos, because I think that's a waste of time. Like, have you ever watched like a Windows tutorial videos and all those morons tell them to go to Google and then search for the program? Obviously, if you don't know how to do that by now, then you need to learn that first. So let me show you this one more time. All right. Uh, it's kind of difficult if you're new, and you don't understand how to read this, but this is how you would add repositories. Well, this is this old school way, so maybe not a lot of people know it, but some of my new users, this is how you do it, right? When it tells you to edit this source list, basically you copy that, and I'm going to use the terminal here. And if you're on, depends on you're on, GNOME or KDE or what editor you want to use. So you go sudo, and if you're on GNOME, it's just called gedit. That's the editor, the text editor that you use. But we're on KDE, so it's called kate. And then we paste in that source list path, okay? And this is what it's going to do is open this file with our kate text editor. So here it is. It opens it with kate. And what you want to do is basically just copy and paste. You copy this thing, this deb line here, and like anywhere in here that there's a a line, you can paste it in here. So I pasted it in the bottom here, right? This is the deb line. You can add I guess a comment, but make sure you have the pound sign if you're gonna type whatever you want in there. And that's all you gotta do is save it. So you save that sucker, and the next thing you do is you add this key. Now this key is for security purposes. So the software is actually in this repository, and this key checks if this is a legit thing for the security that they have. So all I gotta do is copy paste. No, that's not the right one. I mean copy paste this in there, and then you do push enter. They add the key in here. Afterwards, you do the update, and that's it. For that, you update, you refresh the repository, and now that we have this repository in our system now, we can actually find the program and then install it with this, and we install it, which I already have it installed, so let me cancel that. So that's how you install or add in a new repositories and install the software in that repository. So that's it. If you don't know it by now, go learn it first before complaining it to me, or at least like PM me about it first before talking trash to me. All right, that's it for this one. Spotify on Linux. Go use it if you want to listen to music. All right, that's it for this one.